In this video I will say about import command in Python. In some cases in our project we don't have to just invent the wheel. We don't have to create what these functions which is like created before us. For example, mass pi, for example print function, but for the print function, so built in functions like print, input and so on, we don't need to import anything. Python will do it. It will be available for us from any like place, sometimes, for example, from the mass pi we need to import the functions, the classes, and the tools which we need. So in this case, we can use the key import k import, yes, keyword import, and then the module name we need, for example mass, and we can get access to the function, the tool, the class, using this keyword mass and dot, and then the variable p or the function attan, sale, and so on. For example, let's try another mass ps, and it will be available for us. We can use it. We can use it without calculating it. Or, for example, mass sqrt and 9. It will calculate for us. It was implemented for us, so we don't have to implement it like again. Okay, but sometimes if you don't want to import anything from the mass, you can just use the function, the import thing, only the sqrt function. For example, from mass import, for example, sqrt, and we can just get access without like writing like this. It will be the same. It works for the classes, it works for the variables, it works for the anything we can import.